Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Hey, I got another toy to show you. I just love toys. This one is a Pietta 1860 Colt Army revolver. Black powder revolver, cap and ball. It's in this leather holster. US. Let me take it out and show you. Here's a revolver in its glory. It has round barrel, collar cased ramrod lever, collar case hardened, collar case hardened steel frame, and hammer. The cylinder has is engraved with a naval battle scene. Now, why would they have a naval battle scene on an army pistol? I don't know. But this gun's predecessor was the 1851 Navy, so I guess it's pretty much the same engraving. The back strap is blue steel. Very light trigger. Of course, these are not loaded. I did change the nipples into a stainless steel ones, so for less fouling. This one's in 44 caliber. The US used this pistol from 1860 to 1873, when this pistol was replaced by the Colt single action army. This gun was the most commonly used pistol during the Civil War. It was deadly, as I'm sure a lot of dead rebels can attest. Of course, these are not so dangerous these days because now you have weapons with much more lethality. This one, you don't even have to have a FFL to buy, just cash and carry. I bought this from Cabelas, and they'll FedEx to you, right to your address. 2 days it took, free FedEx. And I think these are safe to be around the house. You don't even have to lock them up because nobody's going to come around and load this weapon. Because to load it, you have to have certain skills. You have to have black powder. You have to have caps. You have to have lead balls. So you can just have it lay around the house, on the coffee table or whatever. I think this is beautiful. It's something that will lengthen your life just to have it around. So you can pick it up and play with it every day. And sometimes go shooting, of course. The metal to wood finish is just superb. No complaint whatsoever. Now this one is very similar to my other gun, other black powder. This one is the 1851 Colt Navy. This one is not historically accurate because the 1851 Navy was only made in, was never made in 44 caliber because the steel wasn't strong enough to withstand the pressure of the 44 caliber back then. Until 1860 when they come out with a spring steel, which was stronger, and they were able to make the 44 caliber. But if Colt was able to make this gun with a 44 caliber, he would have done it. But so this one did not exist in history, because this one's in 44 caliber. To be historically accurate, you have to be had to be 36 caliber. This one also has a case hardened steel frame, ramrod frame, but it has all brass back strap and trigger guard. The standard load for this one is 30 grains of black powder. For the 36 caliber, of course, is less, but because this one is in 44 caliber, you can load 30 grains. The Navy has a 7.5 inch barrel, while the Army, this one, has 8 inch barrel. Here's the leather holster I bought for the Army. I chose US because since this is a US Army pistol, it's appropriate. This is I bought it from eBay from a guy called Tony Yu Leather Goods out of Las Cruces, New Mexico. His moniker is TONYU with the letter U and exclamation mark. Tony Yu exclamation mark from eBay. These are inexpensive, only mid $30. Superbly made. Look how thick the leather is. Just beautiful. Here's the maker's mark. Oh, made in El Paso. Oh, I love the smell of the leather. Fine guns deserve nice leather. Of course, this is not a government issue. This was not regulation holster. I think the regulation holster back then was black in color and has a hood covering it, has a flap. Here it is in its holster. And my Navy. Neither of these guns are that expensive. You can buy them from Cabelas for very little money. Thank you all for watching.